Hello, so we're going to cover the side step. So it's basically a basic, but except you're going left and right as opposed to forward and back. Okay, so to begin, we'll be stepping with our left foot out on 1, shifting our weight to our left leg, tap in place with your right foot on 2, and then collect your feet together on 3. So that's the first 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Now same thing on the opposite side. You're going to be stepping out with your right leg on 5, shifting your weight on your right leg, and then tap in place on your left leg on 6, and then feet together on 7. So for 5, 6, 7, should go 5, 6, 7. Now putting it all together, it should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So that is the salsa side step or the side basic.